Ooh. He's dead.
This is making it worse.
This side's like clogged. It's not even like working on this side. Ah, man. It's the worst. Can't even have a clean windshield to enjoy the sunset. How y'all like my bug guts?
Well, we're out to the first weekend of gun season here in Texas. Austin got his deer without me last weekend. Super happy with that. Really nice deer, really nice 8-point. Hoping to get one of the management bucks from this weekend. Looks like I'll be after a 7-pointer, which management buck, just want the meat. Hopefully get out to some new properties this season as well. Got some other prospects out in Granbury, Texas, as well as another out in Longview. Yeah, stay tuned. Well, it's not even that cold, but definitely froze our butts off this morning. I forgot my boots, so my toes are cold, my fingers are cold. Oh, of course there's a deer in front of us. Nice.
I feel like... Oh, there's one right there in front of us, literally straight down the road. Might be the same ones from this morning.
Oh, there they are.
3 of them. More than we saw this morning.
Well, if those bucks, or buck, shows up this afternoon, I think we'll take them. Also just realized I got sunburned. Takes skill to get sunburned in November. Say something about how busy it is.
It's busy.
Nice parking job.
Dude, do you see how far apart this butt? I literally don't know if I can close it right now. It wasn't like this yesterday, I swear.
Well, our hunt was a bust 2 weekends ago. So we gave it a couple weeks, let everything kind of chill out, gonna see what's out there again at some point. But today we are headed back out there to pick up a feeder, and we're gonna be going to Granbury to another property that we have access to hunt. Gonna set the feeder out and a camera, probably give it about a week or so, then go back out, grab the card, and see what is actually out there, and if it's even worth, going to hunt. Very small piece of property surrounded by houses, so we're gonna be bow hunting it. Should be pretty fun though. A little change of pace for us for sure, especially this late in the season. But there have been some pretty cool things that have been showing up. I think Austin's about to show me what he got.
This is the big guy. 10-point I was just showing. There he is. It'd actually be 8 a.m.
We're just about wrapping up this deer season. It came quick and it's ending even quicker, it seems. I think the next plan will be to figure out a good duck hunting spot for us. And yeah, that should make for some good videos. So we'll see. Catch you later. So you think the Earth is flat, right?
Such a piece of No. So, the story that I was telling you was that the reason that they've known for a long time that the Earth was round is because the Greeks, they had Athens, and which is their two biggest places. They had the library at Alexandria, the shadows, and there's the great time like it doesn't exist anymore. It's a statue figured out by them or a shadow. Look, bullet holes in the sign. That's how you know you're out in the country, dude. You just got bullet holes in the signs. There's more in that one.
Yee, bro.
But this is it right here.
Yeah. Take a left. Take a left. You'll see the deer.
Oh, yep, there's one right there on the brush pile. See him?
Yep.
I'm gonna spin around. Oh, they're right here, dude. Right here.
Yep. There you go.
I'm gonna spin around. Here you go. Look, right here.
There they are. Look at that, man.
Bunch of does, dude. There's like 7 or so right there. Another one out there by that pile.
Oh man, dude.
You want me to back up, or can you see him?
I can see him.
It's a good sign. It's awesome, man. They're like right there, man. They just don't really care.
Where's Daddy Deer?
Yeah, for real, right?
Where's your big daddy? Huh?
Where's your daddy?
Where's your husband? Who made y'all? Well, it is December 4th, about 4 o'clock in the morning. Austin and I are headed out to his property out in De Leon. Checked out Granbury, but just didn't work out. Property was too small, too many neighbors around, and the property owner didn't want us hunting out there, even with bows. Longview, the second little prospect that we had out there, about 70 acres. Doesn't look like it's going to work out for this season. Maybe next season we'll try and get out there. This season it's just not going to work out. Plan for today, get out there early, beat the sun, beat the animals, hopefully get a deer this morning, but at the very latest we're hoping to get something this afternoon, so wish us luck.
There's a deer right there. The only thing that I've ever seen make a track that big, ever, is my brother's Great Dane. Her footprints were that big, and she was a 150-pound dog. That's either a big dog or a big cat.
Well, another hunt and another instance of the deer eluding us. Spirits are pretty low right now, but we're gonna go get some food. Hopefully come back in the afternoon and see something worth shooting. Gotta fill up that freezer for this season, so only got a couple more weeks to get that done. So we'll see. Well, we are off to duck hunt finally. Still haven't gotten a deer, but we'll see. Maybe one of these days. I don't know, but grabbing some barbecue. Who did that? Hey Cabela's, whoever thought it was a good idea to not have duck hunting shells during duck season, you should fire them. I'll take their job.
I saw big deer tracks and got distracted. Oh, no, safety. Don't come back. Well, we're all kind of bad shots. We're out of practice right now, so all that, and we got one duck, but we'll find it. Austin hit his, that's alright. Found it? Oh, good eye.
Oh, good eye, man. Good find, man.
Yeah, for sure.
One, I don't have blood all over my hands. Move around the right side. I'm gonna try to push them all's way over here to the left side. And pop up. Hopefully they'll go over y'all's head. And just blast them right over the top of you.
Cool. Heck yeah.
He's not even looking up. Look up, they're gonna land! Bro. Dude, they just landed right, like...
There he is.
I know, I see him, and they just landed basically on top of him.
Well, it is December 17th. We went duck hunting early this morning. Austin got, what, 3 ducks? Your boy got 0 again. We're gonna go shoot some clays in practice, but it is what it is. Still no deer. Hopefully one will show up. I'm expecting the worst and be pleasantly surprised. Austin keeps saying I want it too much, so I don't want it anymore. I no longer want it. Or need it. I just want it to happen. So, we'll see. Hopefully. I don't know. I'm gonna take the middle one. Okay. I'm on it. Alright. I'm gonna wait for this wind to die down. Yep. Blasted it.
Yeah, good shot.
Heck yeah. Man. 223 doesn't have the punch of a 308, but man, that exit wound was massive.
Yeah, it was bleeding good.
It looked like a good shot.
That was a good
placement
shot.
for sure.
No, it was.
Oh man. Heck yeah, man. Oh, yes. Yes. Finally. Finally, this video can be done. Man.
Yeah, we'll give it a couple minutes.
Heck yeah.
I don't think it's the same.
2.
3. Dude, are you kidding me? 4, 5. Dude, oh my goodness, they're coming out of the
6.
woodworks. Are you kidding me right now?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8.
If a buck comes out, I'm gonna take it and your brother can have the dough.
Okay.
Dude, this is insane. 2 minutes. Not even. After
I think there's 9 there.
Oh my goodness. We'll be tracking 2 deer and cleaning 2 deer, but
Yeah, that's the thing. Is I really don't want to do.
I mean, if a buck shows up, like I for sure want to take a buck.
Yeah, for sure.
But
Well, there's no better opportunity for a buck to show up than when you have 9 does.
Yeah, right.
So,
come on, bachelors. Dude, that is crazy.
well, it's 5 o'clock. What are you gonna do?
Why'd it have to come so soon?
They're moving off.
They keep looking towards the left.
Mm-hmm. They might see your dead deer over there.
It could be. I mean, any of these 3, I would think.
No, the far left one's the button buck.
I don't want to shoot button buck.
Out of those 2 that are on the right-ish, I would take the one that was walking towards us if you were going to shoot one. That's still kind of around the feeder. But once again, my friend, your call. Oh, did Scruffy come back? Dude, Scruffy back came back right there under the winch.
Okay, I'll take that one.
Alright, let me zoom in. Alright, whenever you're ready.
Wait for a good look here.
Okay, give him a second. Give him a second. They don't know what's up.
What the heck, man?
Okay, still on it. Is it jammed good?
Yeah. Let me know when I can make noise.
I mean, the Scruffy back one is directly behind the feeder, so I mean...
Come on. Alright, we're good.
It's, right, it's the deer to the farthest back left.
Okay.
Now she's behind the center, moving to the right between the 2 deer. Do you see it?
Yep. Alright, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Dropped him.
Yep. Drop one.
Nice.
Put the deer down.
Oh man, alright. Let's go find these guys. Alright, this one dropped right here. Oh, there's the other one. They're in the woods. And 233 hollow point still, I mean, maybe not for much bigger deer than this, but you're a pretty one. Oh, you are a pretty one. All right, we finally got it done for me this season. You know, we've sat out here until noon, or from noon until about 5:15, what it is right now. This little lady right here, she was the first one that walked up, and I went ahead and took her. Just worried about the road right behind us, scaring off all the deer. And man, 2 minutes after I shot this one, this little lady right here popped up as well. Dropped the second one right where she was. The first one ran maybe 15 yards away. Yeah, I mean, I'd rather shoot a buck for this season, but at the end of the day, it's meat in the freezer. So definitely happy. Couldn't have asked for a better day.